Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people. Any which part of the world you know there. Me hope say food no world better than for me. By the way, we're Pearly grandson there. See, I'm them the roving reporter. For report them ya kind of weather ya. I went there. My people, you don't know what it is like when you come from Jamaica and come back to this. You don't look there. Hallelujah, my granny would have said, Jesus, Savior, pilot me. This is my backyard. I don't have a way to put snow. So you see, all I know when you see me in Jamaica, have me little fun. And I talk about me lucky. Me not lucky. Me work hard. And when me feel to go Jamaica and go have fun and live life, me live life. Because I want life to live. So when me come back here too, Lord have mercy. If me never believe in a God, me that says somebody work signs for me. Look here. Not a way to put snow, my people. When you look over here, so see over there, so look there. Not a way to put snow. When you go out to me front yard, not a way to put snow. You hear what me I say? Snow all over the place. I can't tell you how I feel right now. Mixed emotions. But yeah, you be a beach, a gallivant. Now me day in a Canada, family day. And look at the front of me yard. This look like one mound up a hill when me used to go ground with my granny. Yes man, this one ya look like the hill when me used to climb up a hill to go dig yam with my granny. No, this is not dig yam, this is clean snow. My people, uno pray for me. Cause me no know how much longer Mama Selva can do this snow. Yeah. As always, we have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, and which part of God's world over there. For me, they are not so bright, but in all things, give thanks.